Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage leaves. First, choose a large, firm head of cabbage. Gently peel off the outer leaves, making sure to discard any that are torn or discolored. Next, blanch these leaves in boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes. This makes them soft and easy to work with. Finally, carefully trim the thick, tough central vein from each leaf, preparing them for your delicious fillings. Now it's time to fill your prepared cabbage leaves. Spoon your chosen filling, whether it's rice and meat or vegetables, onto the stem end of each leaf. Then, fold the sides of the leaf inward, snugly over the filling. Carefully roll the leaf tightly from the stem end all the way to the tip. This creates a neat, compact package that will hold together perfectly during cooking. Once your cabbage rolls are assembled, it's time to cook them. Place the rolls in a single layer in a large pot or a baking dish. Pour your favorite sauce, like tomato sauce or a savory broth, over them until they are mostly covered. You can simmer them on the stovetop for 45 to 60 minutes or bake them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until tender and thoroughly cooked. After cooking, let your delicious cabbage rolls rest for a few minutes before serving. They are wonderful served warm as a comforting main course or even as a substantial side dish. For an extra touch, garnish them with some fresh herbs such as dill or parsley. A dollop of sour cream or a sprinkle of your favorite cheese can also elevate the flavors beautifully. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.